Welcome, here I've got Huawei Y6 2019 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go now to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button here in the right corner. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. And now let's focus on the capture settings. At the first place here we have the assistive grid, so these are the grid lines. Here by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. And for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to show you how it looks like. As you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so these lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily go back to the settings in the right corner, tap on this button again. So for now this option is turned off and they are gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.